How to transfer notes from iPhone to iCloud. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you move notes from iPhone to your iCloud. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the setting, you'll have to tap on your profile icon so it will appear on the top. So simply tap on your Apple account. Alright, so simply from the Apple account you'll have to go the option iCloud, so simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the option save to cloud, so simply tap on the see all section. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and find the application notes, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section make sure that sync this phone is toggle on your iPhone, so this feature will automatically sync your notes to iCloud, so you will able to see, edit, share and collaborate from any of your devices. So this is the easiest and simplest way to transfer or move notes from iPhone to iCloud. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.